Okay, so today's video is going to be all about the products that I've got from Influenster for free to test out. And this time I've got some products from Alicia Keys skincare line, and I cannot be more excited because I've wanted to try her products for a very, very, very long time, and it's finally happening.
Let's jump right into this video.
So this is how the products are always sent in this Influenster wax box. I'm not going to tell you what Influenster is. If you want to know more about it, then you can kindly check my other videos where I am, telling you more in detail. So let's get this open. So these are the products that were sent to me for free to try out. As always, here is a card with some description about the products that they were sent to me. Okay, so the first product that I have, it is a exfoliator, and this is a powder exfoliator. And it says here to begin with wet hands and face, and to apply a small amount to palm of hand and add water to create a creamy foam. And you're supposed to use it 2 or 3 times weekly. Okay, so let's see the product itself. So it comes in this beautiful bottle made out of glass. It has this beautiful dark purple color with a black cap. I really like it, and this beautiful white writing. It feels very elegant. I really like it. So let's open that and see what it has in it. Oh, okay, so just look at that. It's so nice. It has like a almost sand texture, and it smells amazing. Okay, so next we have a face cream. Let's see this. Oh, and by the way, all of her products are cruelty-free, which makes it even more great. Again, another beautiful packaging out of glass with a black cap, just like the other product. So let's see the cream. So it is a white cream. It is a fragrance free, for you guys out there that they don't like, fragrance into the products. So this is supposed to be used to face and neck, morning and night. And the last product that it was sent to me, it is a comforting balm, and this one, it's supposed to be applied generously to where the skin needs a dryness relief. So I guess this is like a multi-purpose balm. I totally love this kind of products, and I should know because I have like
a bunch of them.
Okay, so let's see this again. A packaging made out of glass, and this is a black one. So this is how it looks like, and it has like this balmy texture, very nice, and it smells like something sweet, almost like candies. Can't really tell, but it smells very nice. And as I said, it has a beautiful touch, a beautiful formula. This is something that I will be definitely using all the time, every day. As I said, I just love this kind of products. Okay, so these were the products that I've got into my Vox box. Let me know in the comments below if you knew that Alicia Keys has her own skincare line, and if you do, please let me know if you ever tried her products. So before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!